Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, how do you know if your HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 are charging? And we have few options. If you want to check it for the charging case, you can just put your the charging case to the power. So at the bottom we have USB-C port. We just connect it here, and if you see the LED light, meaning that your charging case are charging. We can also check it for the earbuds. We can use HUAWEI AI Life application. You need to enter here, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. And now look, if I connect charging case to the power, right here near to it. So did we have it? Now we need to put the earbuds here. Okay. So put your earbuds, and now connect charging case to the power, and then, as you can see, near to the charging case and the earbuds, we have lightning bolt. So it means that your earbuds and your charging case are charging. Now, if I remove the cable, as you can see, we have lightning bolt only for the earbuds. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!